I think in the farming business, we got to be up current with what the world is doing or what the United States is doing in technology. Working with BMCC on these chemical trials, precision ag, flying of the drones, we're seeing a benefit.
You don't learn anything unless you take some of these risks. We like to play on the safe side, and now I think we're kind of going with some risks, trying to learn something new by doing this. And once again, we wouldn't do it without this partnership that we got going on.
On-farm precision experimentation is a project that's funded by the USDA. There's only 5 community colleges in the United States that are part of this program right now, so it's a really unique opportunity. The idea is to provide farmers tools to be able to use the precision ag technology that they've got, specifically variable rate application technology, to run experiments on their farms to find optimal seeding rates, fertilizer rates, or other chemical rates. On-farm precision experimentation side is meant to train upcoming agronomists, such as our students in the program, how to use the software that's being developed. So when they go out into the workforce after they graduate, they'll know this latest evolving technology, how to use it and help farmers in the future.
This has been an absolutely amazing experience so far, getting the knowledge that I'm learning in class to then being able to make it applicable out here on the farm. It brings a lot of confidence in future careers around agriculture, being able to know that how nice the local farmers and community members are.
To make the farming easier, this technology is what's helped us a lot. From our irrigation to our tractors, you know, these things are very important for what we do here nowadays. And we do things just more efficient by this technology that's going on.
I went to Blue Mountain a long time ago, and I think this is a cool opportunity. We never had these opportunities, and now for kids to actually go to farms and work with the farmers, I think it's amazing.
My goal is to continue learning more about precision agriculture, to go back to my community and help farmers out in improving yields in their fields and just the overall effectiveness of farms, just based off of what my community has given me in the past.
So if this is something that is of interest, this is the place to come here at BMCC.